A lot of you guys have literally been wondering how much can YouTube pay for 500,000 views, 700,000 views, in fact, up to 1 million views. And in my last video, I promised you guys that I am going to be telling you guys how much I earn in 2025 with just one video that have over 704,000 views. Honestly, I have never received such huge amount of revenue coming from just one particular video, and that is why I am literally here to share with you guys. And the reason why I'm sharing with you guys is just to encourage someone out there that there is something like YouTube that is paying. So if you have been procrastinating, if you have been thinking that at the end of the day YouTube is not for you, I think after watching this video, this might actually encourage you. I have a lot of things to say, but I'm definitely going to reserve that for the last part of this video. Welcome back again to my channel. My name is Sonia, and I bring all the vibes on your table. I try my possible best to give you tips on how you can successfully grow a YouTube channel. For those of you that don't know, I also hold master classes where I literally help in building a YouTube channel. But anyways, check the mail that is shown on your screen for more information. With that being said, let's dive into my screen record so that you guys can see exactly how much YouTube paid me. Let's go. Anyways, my screen record is all started, and I'll just move straight to my YouTube studio. And this is the particular video I did about get 1,000 subscribers in 3 days. You guys, most of the people that came to this channel, subscribed to this channel, came from this video. Let me know if this was the video that actually captivated you down to my YouTube channel. You can see that this is just an overview where I have 704.8k view. The views stopped, or YouTube stopped recommending this video the moment my channel got strike. If you don't know, I got two heavy strike last year, right? And I've shared why. I don't want to go into all of that, okay? So this video alone gave me a watch time of 49.8k watch hour. So imagine you're looking for watch hour. This is just gonna do over job for you. And this video gave me subscribers of 31.9k. So for 90 something thousand subscribers I have here, this video alone literally brought 31.9k subscribers. I'm so grateful for that. Now if you click the reach of this particular video, where you can literally see the impression of 3.0 million impression, it simply means YouTube has shown over 13, or let me say over 12 million, like 13 million, like 13 million people. This video has appeared on different people's feed, east, west, north, and south. So impression does not only mean that the moment YouTube show, people click. Okay, so out of the 13 million, 700 and something choose to click, and I'm so grateful for that. Okay, and you can see how viewers found my videos from browse feature, suggested video, other YouTube features. You can see unknown, and you can also see that and other sources, right? So the external sites, as you guys can see here, you can see that it's coming from WhatsApp Business, and YouTube. I don't know how this WhatsApp and WhatsApp Business is now becoming top. Probably people shared my videos to WhatsApp. I don't know, because I don't do that, right? Now, if you check from my YouTube search terms, you can see Vibe with Sonia, how to get 1,000 subscribers on YouTube and get 1,000 subscribers in just 3 days. And you can see content suggesting my videos as well, which is other people's content here, and also my own content, right? So let's move to the engagement of this video. Like I said, this video has given us a watch time of 49.8k, an average viewer duration of 4.4. It simply means every 14. It simply means every single person that literally clicks this video watched up to 4 minutes, and that is a very good way for the algorithm to know that your video is important and for them to push it more further. Now you can see the top mix here, and of which you can see how the spike came in. The intro was one of the things that actually captivated a lot of people. Now let's go to the audience of this particular video, where you see unique viewers 0. I told you guys the moment I got strike, YouTube automatically stopped recommending this video. By this time, this video has supposed to have been clocking over 1 million, but I'm so grateful for where I am. In fact, anywhere I find myself, I'm grateful. This video gave me subscribers of 31.9k, like I said earlier. Okay, and you guys can see that audience by behavior. Okay, I don't need all of this. You can see viewers also watch most of my, like all of my videos, okay? And you can see the device that is actually watching me, mobile, computer, automatically every single device is watching me, and God sake will bless you guys. You can see the age, and which is one of the most important key that made this video fly so much, from age 13 to 65 years plus. Every single hand are on deck watching because they literally want to get subscribers, okay? And you can see the gender as well, male, female. I've always been encouraging a lot of people on this YouTube platform that if you want to film a video, make sure it is a video that is not gender selective, okay? You can see top geographical locations that is actually watching this video: Nigeria, United States, and Kenya. And to be honest, this actually changed, like I said, when I got a strike on this channel, because this was showing more of United States, United Kingdom, what they call it, Canada, Germany. And but I'm so grateful for this, okay? Kenya, God bless you guys. I don't want to click more geographic so that we're not going to stay here so long. And subtitles and watch time from subscribers. Not subscribed 94. Please, if you're watching this video and you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please do also subscribe to my channel, and I will be so grateful for that. Now let's move to the most important part that brought everyone here, which is the revenue. This video alone has given me 5.6K, $5,600 right from the day this video was created. You can see the total amount I've been able to accumulate is $5,625. You can see for YouTube Premium, I got 36.51. This one is one that YouTube is dashing me. YouTube is telling me, thank you for uploading. Why are we not going to encourage you? Okay. For my membership, I got $4.48, and of which I'm so grateful. For my super thanks from this particular video as well, I got $3.88. And then for my short feed ads, which is people that manageably clip my videos for short feeds, I got 0.01 cents, and of which I am so grateful. Remember, I uploaded this video 31st of July. So till date, which is January 8th, this is the amount I've been able to accumulate, right? So if you check here, like I said, you can see how you make your money: watch paid ad, membership, supers and gifts, short feeds, right? And you can see how my video performance, you can see the RPM, which is how much advertisers are paying. RPM and CPM is just how much advertisers are paying and how much YouTube is giving you. So advertisers are paying 798. YouTube is paying me 798 per 1,000 view, while advertisers are paying me $12.50. Honestly, this dropped, but I'm grateful, like I said, in every single thing. And this is skippable, non-skippable, blah blah blah, east, west, north, and south. So if I should go to my calculator from my phone here, okay, I will go to my calculator and I just calculate $5,600. Let's just times it by 1,400. I don't even want to put like high hopes, right? So let's just times it by 1,400. It simply means I've been able to make 7.8 million naira. Let's stop this screen record so we can talk. So I have literally stopped the screen record so that we can have a conversation. I have made, as you guys can see, 7.8 million naira coming from just one video. Coming from just one video. Have it at the back of your mind that this money did not just hit my account at once, no, but this money came in bits. I remember the very first month of me uploading this video, when this video started going viral, I made over $2,500 just that month, because I have other videos that were also doing well, coming east, west, north, and south. So if I tell you guys that my 2025 was not sealed, I am lying. So even when I had all my odds, even when I had all my ups and downs, even when I had a lot of things coming, when I look back at what YouTube has literally blessed me in 2025, I am much grateful. I have other videos that also did well in 2025, and this is me just sharing just one video revenue with you guys. Now, why am I doing this? I'm not doing this because I still have all of this money with me. No, I'm doing this because I want to encourage you out there that if you have not started creating content, if you have not started YouTubing, what are you waiting for? Why are you still wasting time? What is still keeping you? What is still making you to look back and be like, no, I literally do not need to be here? I can tell you for a whole fact that for the whole of 2025, even when I stopped uploading, I think I stopped during when my mother-in-law died, during that point of November when I lost my mother-in-law, I have literally made over 10 million naira. I don't even want to put your hopes high, right? But I have made over 10 million naira coming just from YouTube. And you literally want to sit there, fold your hands, and don't want to do anything. Anyways, the ball is in your court. Let me know what you think about this particular video. And I want to say a very big thank you to every single one of you that stayed, to every single one of you that loved me, to every single one of you that always come true for me, asking me, why have you not resumed? What is happening? What is not happening? I'm so grateful. And I hope you start your YouTube channel journey. Like I said, I do take classes on how I can literally hold you hand by hand and show you the exact method and principles I've been able to use to pull not just traffic, but also make the YouTube algorithm recognize that someone is uploading on this platform. And if you would love me to do that for you, all you need to do is to check the mail on your screen, faithonja3195 at gmail.com. Check my flyers, pick any of my coaching sections that you want me to actually do for you, and trust me, you will definitely not regret it. Thank you so much for staying stick and hook me to the end of this video. And if you've had videos that has gotten over 700,000 views or less than 700,000 views, how much has this literally brought down to your table? I literally want to know. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. And yes, with no further ado, like I always say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye guys. I love you guys. Mwah.